turn it, and it's supposed to unlock. Of course, one thing you want to do is you always want to check the part. Don't be trying to sneak a peek at our doors. That's a prototype door. All right, here's our big test.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Hey everybody, we're back. We're here in the home of everything Breaking Bad, Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Kirkland Air Force Base.
Yeah, but it's in Albuquerque. So, I mean, it's beautiful here. This is a great RV park. It's a fam camp, pretty good bargain. I wouldn't pass it up if you're coming through this area and you have the benefit to stay at fam camps. It's a pretty good RV park for what you're paying on a military base. They got some cool stuff here. Obviously the mountains, and the spots are really big, giant spots. They even have a dog wash, a little outdoor dog wash. That was pretty cool. Some places you pay a lot of money for don't even offer that. So, what's the video about today?
Well, we were having some issues opening our garage, and we've dug into the situation and found out it was a solenoid.
A solenoid, yep. So we wanted to cover that. We want to be transparent. Not every RV day is a perfect day. So we're going to do this quick little video and show you how we found the problem. This is probably going to help some other G owners down the road. How we found the problem, how we troubleshot it, and how Brinkley helped us out. So let's jump right into it. So when you get your Brinkley, it comes with a key, and it has a door lock. You turn it, and it's supposed to unlock. But ours quit doing it for some reason. We didn't know why, so we dug into it a little bit, and we figured out another way that we can open it, and we're going to go inside and show you that right now. Up here, there's an emergency thing that you can pull. It's this little yellow tab right here. You see it? So we pull that, the door opens. Don't be trying to sneak a peek at our doors. That's a prototype door. Be looking for those in our video about our 1-year review. We'll tell you all about them. We have our lovely co-mechanic here who's going to be our key turner. Oh, look at the power. We'll show you what's going on. So this is your little latch mechanism, and when they're both closed, turn the key, nothing happens. I'll also show you this. There's a little rubber grommet, and you can reach in there and you can open that. Or if it doesn't want to latch, you can push up on it in that hole. We'll go to the other side and I'll show you what it's supposed to do. Alright, so we're on the off door side. You can see how far away Jackie is, way over there. And I'm going to show you what it's supposed to look like. Turn the key. See that? It's supposed to release. Now the option you have is to pull this cable. Watch, we'll do that too. I'll pull the cable. Pow, opens it. I have noticed that sometimes this cable gets a little stuck and you gotta wiggle it. Hear it in there? You gotta wiggle that. And Jackie wanted me to let everybody know this manual override is great. It's on both sides, but you're gonna have a heck of a time getting to that with the ramp up. So this should always work no matter what. That's our emergency go-to. All right, let's dig into the one that's not working. Well, the first thing you gotta do is pull this panel off right here, so we'll do that. Not sure if you can make it out, but here's that lever that you're pulling on and that the cable pulls on. See the cable here? It pulls on that when you pull the strap. Here's your wires, and here it is. I'm gonna use a H4 Allen head and pull these out so we can slide that whole mechanism. So once you have those 4 screws out, those Allen head screws, make sure your wire is not blocking that. And then you can slide the whole mechanism out this way. Just like that. So the whole thing comes out. Ooh, that's close. All right, we'll show you the next steps. You got a red and a black wire. Remember which one goes which. I don't think it's just a solenoid. And these are just two little wires that tap in. Black goes on the bottom.
That's your electric opening.
Yep, that's what comes from the key. Here's the solenoid. You can see the fix that Jackie and I tried to do previously. So this little spring right here is all that holds in this mechanism. So what you have to do is take the tension off that spring and then pull it over that little lip right there. Let me get some pliers and we'll do it the right way. So you have the tension off of that spring. You just grab it and you pull it off of that metal. I'm trying to be gentle with it because I think if you break it, you're dead in the water. Until that little spring comes off. And that mechanism stays. And this is the part we have to go and replace. So I got with Brinkley and I told them what part was bad. This from troubleshooting. And they sent me this cute little box. And in the box is a brand new solenoid. I'm excited. Let's get it fixed. And unfortunately, I don't have a wrench that small. I probably have a socket that small, but not a wrench. You can see the little fix that we tried to do right there with that screw, because the solenoid just, it isn't functioning the way it's supposed to. It's not opening that lock. Of course, one thing you want to do is you always want to check the parts and make sure that they mirror each other, that they're the same, the holes are in the same place. It looks like it is. So we'll go ahead and throw this one back in. There we go. Let's go throw it back in. One thing that we noticed is that it came with two males that were already inserted, and you don't need that because that's what's on the end of the wire. Okay, so I got to get this spring back on there. The easiest way is to use my trusty pliers again. Open it up just a little, get it back in place. And we're going to throw this in and we're going to do a quick test fit just to make sure that that solenoid will open it. Alright, so both wires are in their home. Go to your home, and I'm going to have my lovely assistant change over. She's going to go down and turn the key for us. My beautiful assistant is getting ready at the key, and we're going to test out the new solenoid. Wait, let me get my finger out of it. Okay, go ahead. There it is. Opens like a beauty. Alright, let's get it installed and test the whole door. Let's test it again. Go ahead. Works like a champ. Just cover it back on. All right, we'll make sure that there's plenty of slack in that cable. And then we'll just need to put our rubber grommet in. Just put that rubber grommet back in its home. All sealed up. Side's all sealed up. We're ready for a test. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. All right, here's our big test. Locked. Locked. Yeah!
Yay!
Victory! All right, we're gonna close it again. Locked. Good deal.
Good job, babe.
Hey, thanks for joining us for another video. I know this video is kind of Brinkley specific, but hopefully it helps out somebody in the future. And also, we want to be 100% transparent. I was accused this week on YouTube of being a Brinkley boy. So I want to make sure that we're transparent and that we show you that not everything's perfect. And you're going to have to do some maintenance when you live in an RV. So if it was helpful at all, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah. See y'all later.